Subject Environmental Science, Class 2nd Standard. Unit 4, Topic Day and Night. Our topic Day and Night. Good morning, children. Today our first topic, Day Sky. Day Sky. Do you know, children, the sun gives us light and heat. The sun gives us light and heat. It helps plants to grow. It helps plants to grow. The sun is much bigger than the earth. The sun is much bigger than the earth. Do you know, children? The sunlight takes around 8 minutes to reach the earth. The sunlight takes around 8 minutes to reach the earth. Next our topic, shadow. Next our topic, shadow. When an object does not allow light to pass through it, a dark area is formed. This is called a shadow. This is called a shadow. Stand with your back to sun. Look at the ground in front of you. What do you see is your shadow. Find out if your shadow moves with you. Next our topic, night sky. Next our topic, night sky. The moon. The moon. In the night sky, we can see the moon, many stars and clouds too. Next one, phases of the moon. Phases of the moon. Let us discuss, children. Does the moon look the same every day? Observe the moon in the sky every night for 15 days and find out. The moon appears to change shape every night. On the night when we see it in its complete form, it is called the full moon or Paurnami. On the night when we cannot see the moon at all, it is called the new moon or Amavasai. Many festivals are celebrated based on the phases of the moon. For example, Eid, Mahalaya Amavasai. Do you know, children? Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the moon. Next our topic, the stars. The stars. There are countless stars in the sky. Countless stars in the sky. The sun is the nearest star. The sun is the nearest star. The stars shine during the day too, but we cannot see their light because the sun is much brighter than the other stars. We see that a group of stars appears to form a pattern in the sky. Pattern in the sky. Okay children, our next topic, rhythms of day and night. Day and night follow each other in a rhythmic way. Some animals are active at night. The bat, owl, wild big cat, mouse, cockroach and firefly are examples of animals that are active at night. They are active at night to catch other animals wandering at night for their food. Avoid animals that eat them during the day. Avoid the heat of the day. Avoid the heat of the day. They have big eyes. For example, cow and cat. Cow and cat. Next one, a sharp sense of smell. For example, mouse and dog. Good hearing. Example, bat. Bat. Most flowers bloom in the morning. However, some flowers bloom at night. Some flowers bloom in the morning. Some flowers bloom at night. For example, jasmine, water lilies, tuberose, cactus flower, datura flower. Many of them have a lovely fragrance. Okay children, next our topic, direction. Direction. The sun appears to rise in the east and set in the west. Now stand facing the sun in the morning. Example, east. Behind you is west. To your right is south. To your left is north. Okay children, the session is over. I will give homework for you. First one, label the pictures. Second one, write the names of the animals that are active at night. Thank you for listening. Thank you children. We will meet in next class.